Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all our latest contents. Today, we are diving into a tool that's a game changer for entrepreneurs, the Lean Canvas. Do you know that? Okay, don't worry about that. I will teach you what is that and how you can use it. Whether you are brainstorming a new business model, a product launch, or campaign, this tool is all about turning those big ideas in your head into a clear, actionable plan. So, let's get into it. Okay, let's start at the very beginning. What exactly is Lean Canvas? It was created by Ash Maurya. It's a one-page business plan that helps you map out your ideas quickly and effectively. It's actually a leaner version of the business model canvas, which was introduced by Alexander Osterwalder, tailored specifically for startups like yours. But why we have to use Lean Canvas? Well, I will tell you that. In the world of startups, time is everything. You know how the time values? Okay, wait. Traditional business plans, they are thorough but can take months to perfect. Lean Canvas keep you agile, helping you to sketch out your business models, communicate with stakeholders, and pivot as needed, all in a fraction of the time. Okay, you got it? The Lean Canvas is split into 9 critical blocks that reflects every aspect of your business, from your customer problems to unique value proposition. Okay, let's walk through these blocks by using Jeda AI platform, which is the best platform that you can use all these strategies to enhance your business. So just use Jeda AI platform and you will be able to analyze your business, and you will be able to get a very quick output and efficient output and productive output in an easy way. So let's get started. Okay, first things first, you have to go to Jeda AI. So just Google it and then you will be able to click on this link. And now you have to click on this login button and you will be able to log into the system. Okay, now I've got the Shifu plan here. By the way, you can do this by using your free plan also. Now I'm going to use this new workspace option and then I will be able to go to a new workspace like this. Just click on this AI menu and then you will be able to see strategy and planning. So there are a lot of sections that you can use. By the way, I'm going to use this strategy and planning. Now I have to use this Lean Canvas here. I'm going to click it. It asks some questions. So for what, for whom, goal or purpose, what are the key elements of the business model, and more context. So also you can upload your Excel or CSV documents to this and then analyze all the data, and you will be able to get a specific Lean Canvas model for your business. It will be definitely a surprise for you. Okay, now without that, I'm going to use this. I'm going to use web designing as the service, and I'm going to target small businesses. And now I don't have actually goal, but just think I need to attract more customers. And what are the key elements of a business model? Okay, I don't have any. Actually, I don't have any, but you will. Okay, more context, so you can type anything you need, maybe advantages, okay, USPs, channels, or whatever the thing you got. And now I'm going to use this AI model. Actually, you can use GPT 3.5 Turbo, but if you use G4 Plus plan, then you will be able to see this GPT 4o and Cloud 3 Haiku, LA Llama, and Cloud 3 Sonnet. So you can use any model you need. By the way, I'm going to use this GPT 4o. Okay, now after all, if you have a CSV document, then you can use this advanced option. Also, you can upload your documents. Just remember, by uploading your documents, maybe a PDF or whatever you got, maybe your company profile, so you can get specific Lean Canvas for your business model, as I mentioned earlier. Okay, now I'm not going to use any of advanced methods, but now I'm going to click on this generate button. Let's see what's the output. Okay, wow. Super cool. A comprehensive Lean Canvas strategy tailored for small businesses in web designing, aiming to attract more customers. Okay, let's see. So this is the problem and customer segment, unique value proposition, solution, channels, revenue streams, cost structure. What are the results? So problem, lack of online presence, poor website performance, outdated design. Customer segments, local retail stores, freelancers and consultants, small e-commerce websites. So those are the customer segments that you can use. The key metrics, number of new clients, so it's an important part, and customer satisfaction rate, definitely, and website traffic growth. So those are the things that you need to make clear. And also unfair advantage, exclusive partnerships and proven track record, and unique design approach. And if you need another one, then you can use this AI menu again and just use another model. Okay, then you can click on this generate button. That's all. Then you have to wait until it shows you something. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching this video. By the way, I hope this video helps you streamline your ideas and kickstart your journey with confidence. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, give us a thumbs up and don't hesitate to drop your questions or insights in the comment below. Remember, every big journey begins with a simple step. Happy planning, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.